Welcome to the series seminar video tutorials Germanische Heilkunde by Dr. Ryke Geerd, MD. My name is Helmut Pilhar. I am the father of Olivia, and Dr. Hamer's appointed lecturer on Germanische Heilkunde, Geerd. This seminar video is about the sensible biological special programs of the pancreas. These special programs are designed to help resolve a morsel, territorial anger, resistance, or fear-disgust conflict. The symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase are explained. Several case studies are used to make the various associated conflict contents, such as struggle for the morsel, territory, anger, and so on, understandable. The objective is to be able to correctly interpret pancreatic cancer, inflammation, diabetes type 1, diabetes type 2, hypoglycemia, and so on. You can learn more about this in the approximately 1.5-hour seminar video.